What if I told you that just a few ETFs could make you a millionaire in the next 20 years? That's right, no day trading, no stock picking, just a simple strategy to build generational wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down the best ETFs to buy right now, and why they'll dominate for the next 2 decades. If you're serious about investing, hit that like button and subscribe, because this strategy could change your financial future. First up, we have the king of ETFs, VO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This ETF gives you ownership of the 500 largest US companies, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla. Think about that for a second. You're literally buying a tiny piece of the entire US stock market with a single click. It's like owning a diversified real estate empire, but instead of houses, you own pieces of the biggest companies in the world. Now, why is VOO such a powerhouse for long-term growth? Well, it's all about the power of American innovation and the S&P 500's history of delivering solid returns. Over the past 90 years, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year. That means if you invested just $100 a month, you would have over $1 million after 30 years. Let that sink in. Just $100 a month. That's like skipping your daily Starbucks run and investing in your future instead. But here's the thing. VOO isn't just about big established companies. It also includes companies that are disrupting entire industries and shaping the future. Think about Tesla, for example. They're revolutionizing the auto industry with electric vehicles and self-driving technology. Or Amazon, which has completely changed the way we shop and consume. By investing in VOO, you're not just betting on the present, you're betting on the future of American innovation. And the best part? VOO has an incredibly low expense ratio of just 0.03%. That means for every $10,000 you invest, you're only paying $3 in fees. That's practically unheard of in the world of investing. Most actively managed funds charge upwards of 1% in fees, which can eat into your returns over time. With VOO, you're keeping more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. So if you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it investment that can help you build long-term wealth, VOO is a no-brainer. It's like owning a piece of the American dream, and it's an investment that can pay off for generations to come. If you believe in the future of AI, cloud computing, and semiconductors, then VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF, is a must-own. This ETF is packed with the fastest-growing tech companies including Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, and AMD. We're talking about the companies that are literally building the future, and VGT gives you a front-row seat to their growth. Think about it. Artificial intelligence is already transforming industries from healthcare to finance to transportation. Cloud computing is making it possible for businesses of all sizes to scale at lightning speed. And semiconductors are the brains behind every smartphone, computer, and smart device on the planet. These are megatrends that are only going to accelerate in the coming decades, and VGT is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growth. Just look at the track record. Over the past 10 years, VGT has delivered an average annual return of over 20%. That's more than double the return of the S&P 500. Now, past performance is not indicative of future results, but it does show the incredible growth potential of the technology sector. But here's the thing, VGT is not for the faint of heart. The tech sector can be volatile, with periods of rapid growth followed by corrections. But if you're a long-term investor who can stomach some ups and downs, VGT has the potential to supercharge your portfolio. And remember, we're not talking about picking individual tech stocks here. That's a recipe for disaster, even for seasoned investors. With VGT, you're getting instant diversification across the entire tech sector, reducing your risk and increasing your chances of success. So, if you're ready to ride the tech wave and invest in the companies that are shaping the future, VGT is the ETF for you. It's a high-growth, high-potential investment that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Chapter 3. VUG, Investing in the Future of Growth. VUG stands for Vanguard Growth ETF, and it's designed to capture high-growth stocks that are shaping the future. This ETF includes companies like Amazon, Google, Tesla, Meta, and Nvidia. These are the innovators, the disruptors, the companies that are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now you might be thinking, isn't VUG similar to VGT? And yes, there is some overlap, especially when it comes to tech giants like Apple and Microsoft. But VUG casts a wider net, including companies from other high-growth sectors like healthcare, consumer discretionary, and communication services. Think about it. Healthcare is undergoing a revolution with breakthroughs in gene editing, personalized medicine, and telemedicine. Consumer discretionary is being transformed by e-commerce, online entertainment, and the rise of the experience economy. And communication services are evolving at lightning speed with the rollout of 5G, the metaverse, and the Internet of Things. VUG gives you exposure to all of these exciting trends, allowing you to capitalize on the growth potential of multiple industries. It's like investing in a diversified basket of future unicorns, all with a single ETF. But here's the key difference between VUG and the other ETFs we've discussed. VUG focuses specifically on growth stocks. These are companies that are prioritizing revenue growth and market share expansion over profitability. They're reinvesting their earnings back into research and development, marketing and acquisitions to fuel their expansion. This aggressive growth strategy can lead to outsized returns, but it also comes with higher volatility. Growth stocks tend to be more sensitive to economic downturns and market sentiment. But if you have a long-term investment horizon and can ride out the bumps in the road, VUG has the potential to deliver exceptional returns. So if you're looking for an ETF that's laser-focused on growth, VUG is worth considering. It's a high-octane investment that can turbocharge your portfolio and help you achieve your financial dreams faster. So, what's your favorite ETF? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe because we've got more powerful investing strategies coming up. See you in the next one.